You may have seen today the bears are coming out. They're saying XRP appeal is coming. The SEC are not happy. We're going to break down whether that's true or not, and a very important date you need for your diary. And if you haven't packed your bags with XRP, you might just miss out. We got all of that for you in this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to get involved, and let's get into the video. So welcome back, everybody. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you're updated with all the latest and greatest when it comes to XRP. But rumor mill is working overdrive. Everyone seems to think that XRP is going down. Everyone seems to think that actually the SEC will appeal that decision. We're about a week on from Judge Torres basically giving us about a 75% ruling in terms of XRP. No longer were the secondary sales deemed as being securities, and $125 million is the fine. Now they have up to 30 days to pay that off, which they have committed to in full and paid off. So what's really going on? What do we need to understand? Well, let's kind of understand fundamentally what's happened and what has to come next. December 2020 was when this all started, and originally the SEC penalty was around a $2 billion commission fee. Now that's $125 million. In the SEC's view, yes, it's not $2 billion. Bear in mind, that was the sum they went after for Binance when you had CZ broke financial regulatory laws. He broke the law. He's gone to prison. Well, the reality is then a $2 billion fee for Ripple was complete nonsense. It was never going to come, and $125 million, I think, would be deemed as a good result for the SEC. And actually, Stuart Aldertree giving his view on it, which was, yes, they were going to pay the $125 million, and they were going to pay the law as deemed fit. His view also, though, was that, well, the SEC weren't going to appeal against it. What was the reason? Why would they risk it? Still, people want to go down the narrative of we would see it, and they would go after it from the secondary sales, believing they are owed either more money or ultimately they want further jurisdiction when it comes into the cryptocurrency space. The rational actor that was involved ultimately hitting the reset button on cryptocurrency, well, his view is that Judge Torres ruling on the secondary sales aren't investment contracts, and it would be setting a bad precedent if that was to be overturned. Therefore, in terms of Ripple and XRP, and actually the team over there, do not believe we are in the world of an appeal. Now, you will get two sides of an argument. People believe, the bears, that there's a 90% chance that the SEC would win, and the bulls believe there's a 10%. Well, me personally, guess what? I sit absolutely in the 10% category, and I actually don't believe there will be an appeal. I absolutely don't believe the SEC will appeal. But Stuart Aldertree here giving a 10% chance of a ruling reversal. You got to understand, Judge Torres' history tells us that A, she's ruled on some very big cases. B, has never had an outcome overturned in her career. So why all of a sudden with this, given the length of time that's been done over this, be given every opportunity, would it be overturned? It's simply not going to happen. He also spoke in specific on crypto law with that recent interview. Now, XRP currently trading around 56 cents. We'll take a look at the charts in just a minute, but I absolutely is confident, as is Stuart Aldertree, that the SEC is unlikely to appeal based on this, which then sets a precedent for some pretty interesting moves. Now, don't forget, they have 60 days, I believe it is, to appeal. That takes us to October the 6th, which is a pretty interesting date. We will have had an inflation reduction. We will be a month away from a US election. And don't forget, there's even more exciting things coming in the cryptocurrency market. So this could be a big deal. 60 days. End of story when it comes to Ripple, XRP, and the continuation argument with the SEC. And that's why a lot of people are getting excited about XRP gearing up for the biggest breakout. Top traders believe we are heading for that way. And there's a lot of excitement, there's a lot of popularity building, especially with the view that we could see a 20% move with XRP is as simple as a few weeks, which I think will be pretty exciting given the SEC's appeal and if that is not accepted. Now, there's always a little bit of a risk that it does. Again, I absolutely sit on the sense that it's not, and ultimately still trading a $1.3 billion worth of volume every single day. is actually up from the bear market. So my opinion is I think there's lots more to come, and I think we're still in a very, very bullish situation when it comes to Ripple. Let's take a look at the charts, see what the charts are telling us right now. Well, here is that big move that we got on the announcement of Ripple ultimately winning that case, the settlement being agreed. And yes, we've seen a little bit of a downtrend, about 0.7 on the day, just up, so 56.55. And actually, for me, this is starting to print a very interesting little bull flag that we could get a breakout. One of the other key metrics to see is this here. It is really important. We have the 50-day simple moving average about to cross the 200 exponential moving average. What does that tell us? Well, aligned to here, this gives us a very good cross, a micro cross as this starts to push to the upside. We want to see a little bit continuation. The pink line here, which was the 100-day simple moving average, breaking back above, that would give us a very bullish contingent move, which is absolutely where we want to get to. So Ripple right now, I think, is showing some strength. That $1.3 billion worth of volume aligned to, again, a 10% chance that the SEC is going to appeal. And we've heard nothing. Nothing's come out, nothing on the SEC website. Gary Gensler and many others haven't even commented on it on X. What does that tell you? They're happy just to get out with 125 million and have nothing else to do with this. Because let's face it, it's not been the best for the SEC. Given they walked away with $4 billion from the Binance case, the Terra Luna case, they got a chunk of money. 125 million seems like a steal when it comes to XRP. So get ready for a monumental breakout. Look out, October the 9th. It's going to be wild. Again, over the next few weeks, look for an XRP price breakout. It's going to be pretty exciting. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know, do you think there is an SEC appeal coming or not? Let me know in the comments. As always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know why you're super bullish on XRP. If you enjoyed the content, then come back tomorrow for another update on XRP. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.